will start the ventilator and the humidifier. First we will move on to the humidifier part. Before that we will switch on the ventilator. See, here we will switch on the ventilator. The ventilator will go into self-test and the calibration will begin. The ventilator will self-calibrate. Okay, now we have to start the ventilator. Then here we have got so many options here. One is adult, one is pediatric, and the weight. Suppose we have got an adult here. We'll press the adult, and as per the weight of the patient, suppose the weight of the patient is 60 kg. So by removing the knob clockwise and anti-clockwise, we can adjust the various settings. So we will move the knob clockwise 60 kg of the patient, then we will press the knob in the center. It means okay. Now we will start. When we start the ventilator goes into standby mode. You have got a screen here. So many things are there. What you have to do, you have to look for the something where the mode word will be written. Here is the mode. You will press the mode, and again by moving the knob anti-clockwise and clockwise, you can choose whatever settings you want to choose. Suppose we want to place the patient on high flow therapy. So by rotating the knob clockwise, pressure control mode, bi-level mode, CPAP mode. Here we have got HFO2. Remember, HFO2 therapy means therapy for high flow nasal cannula. Again, we have to press the knob at the center. Then we will confirm it. We have confirmed it. Then we will adjust the flow. We can adjust the flow of oxygen as per the need of the patient. We can increase the flow as much as up to 60 liters. Suppose if you want to place the patient at somewhere around 50 liters, again to select anything on the ventilator, you have to press the center of the knob. Center of the knob is pressed 50 liter. To adjust the FiO2, we have got a separate knob on the right side of the ventilator. Look here. Here we have got the settings from 21 to 100%. Delivery of oxygen can never be less than 21%, which is not feasible with life, and we can increase is as much high as up to 100 liter. So this is the setting we have. Now before starting ventilation, we must switch on the humidifier, because at very high flow, at the rate of 50 liters per minute, the gases which comes are very dry, which will lead to the dryness of the mucosa of the nasal part, and which may bleed after some time. So to switch on the humidifier, here we have got a switch here. We will switch it on. Look here carefully. It's off. It's on. Now that the humidifier is on, and here we have got some parameters. These are heater control, and this is the display of the temperature, which is detected from here, from this temperature probe which we have placed in the circuit. So we have got the settings here from 0 to 6. For normal ventilation, we can use from 0, 1, 2 or 3. If the patient is being mechanically ventilated, if the patient is intubated, we have to choose between 3 or 4. And for high flow therapy, we can place the knob somewhere between 5 and 6. So we have placed the knob at 6. Now the delivery of gases will take place, and the sensor will and the temperature probe will determine the temperature of the gas which is being delivered to the patient. Now coming on here, here we have placed the setting. The ventilator is still in standby mode. So before attaching to the patient, again we have to press start. We have pressed start here, and to confirm it, we have to press the center of the knob. We have pressed here. Ensure flow sensor connection. It is connected. We have confirming it. Now that the ventilation has been started. See, we have placed the flow of the gases at 50 liter per minute. You can see here the flow is being shown at 50 liter per minute. And we have placed the FiO2 of the patient around 95%. So here we are getting 95 to 96%. And now you will attach this part to the nasal part of the patient. Thank you.